Hello and welcome everyone. I have a question. Are marine refuges protecting sensitive glass sponges or are better management tools required? My name is Sheila Byers. I'm a long-term member and a citizen science volunteer with the Marine Life Sanctuary Society of British Columbia. Our mandate is to create sanctuaries or no-take marine protected areas to protect marine life, particularly the rockfishes that are associated with glass sponge reef habitats such as this. Glass sponge reefs are rare, they're fragile, and they're sensitive to human activities. And in spite of marine refuge protection achieved in 2019, the reef habitats continue to be damaged by illegal bottom contact fishing activities. Yet, reefs provide many ecological and economical services. So the sponge tissue and the silica skeletal structure of these sponges is extremely sensitive to physical, biological, and chemical damage. So whether we are talking anchors or downrigger cables and the heavy lead weights used in trolling, or prawn traps, crab traps, shrimp traps, they obviously are going to cause damage if dropped in the middle of these sponge reefs. Trawling, not only is it going to the hauled net will completely damage these reefs, but the sediments that are suspended into the water column will clog the sponges, will cause them to malfunction, and potentially cause death. The Britannia copper mine and wood fiber mill that operated in the past may have impacted the reefs, but currently we are concerned about climate change, ocean warming, ocean acidification. There is evidence that the actual functioning of the tissue and the sponge itself, as well as the rigidity of the skeleton, may be compromised. So where are we? We are in Howe Sound. But if we look at this smaller map on the bottom left-hand corner, outlined in red is Howe Sound. Vancouver is right here, and this is the Strait of Georgia section of the Salish Sea. So these blocked off areas that are in red show the 8 marine refuges that were established by Fisheries and Oceans Canada in 2019. In gray here, we see areas that have been designated as fisheries closures as of 2019. Neither of these are permanent or provide permanent protection. So in this photograph here, you can see what was or used to be a reef is now completely shattered bits of sponges. And that is because illegal bottom contact fishing activities continue. So just in January, February, and March of 2022, Marine Life Sanctuaries Society documented 67 infractions. That's incredible. These marine refuges do not fall under marine protected areas. They are called other effective area-based conservation measures, but there still is no legally binding framework that establishes the firm legal protection. So, until such time as these marine refuges are bound by law under Canada's Oceans Act, these valuable and productive habitats that are so important from an ecologically and economically perspective, the reefs continue to be damaged by illegal bottom contact fishing activities. Sponges take decades, if not centuries, to grow and to build the reefs. So I can't tell you how important it is to protect and prevent damage to these reefs before the damage occurs, not trying to fix them afterwards.